अस्सलाम वालेकुम तमाम नाज़रीन को मेरी तरफ़ से खुश आमदीद। आज की नई वीडियो के साथ आप तमाम अहबाब की खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। हाउ टू रिड्यूस बेली फैट इन अ वीक। Eat lean protein. Lean sources of protein will help you stay satisfied longer throughout the day and help fuel your weight loss. Make sure that you eat a source of lean protein at each meal. Measure out a 3 to 4 ounce 21 to 28 grams serving to stay within your calorie limit. Replace all fatty proteins like high fat, cheese, red meat, and sausage with leaner cuts of protein like chicken, turkey, fish, beans, lentils, eggs, low fat dairy, and nuts. Add in fresh fruits and vegetables at every meal. These low-calorie foods are high in nutrients and can help you lose weight and reduce belly fat. The best way to lose belly fat is through calorie reduction. When you make half your plate a fruit or vegetable, the low-calorie nature of these foods helps lower the overall calorie content of your meals. Measure out 1 cup of vegetables, 2 cups of leafy greens or half cup of fruit. Include 1 to 2 servings at each meal. Choose whole grain foods. When you are trying to reduce belly fat and get rid of dangerous visceral fat, you will need to choose 100% whole grain foods. When you are eating bread, rice or pasta, 100% whole grains are significantly higher in fiber, protein, vitamins and minerals compared to more refined grains. They are a much more nutritious choice. Refined grains are those that are overly processed and their vital nutrients are removed. Items like white bread, white rice, plain pasta or crackers should be limited. Include a serving or two of 100 whole grains daily. Measure out 1 ounce or half cup 125 ml or 25 to 30 grams of items like quinoa, brown rice, whole wheat pasta, whole wheat bread or millet. Drink adequate amounts of water. Help keep your body feeling more satisfied and hydrated by drinking adequate amounts of water and other clear fluids each day. It's typically recommended drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily. However, even amounts up to 13 glasses per day have been recommended. Water is essential for hydrating your body. It plays a vital role in regulating your body temperature and blood pressure. In addition, adequate hydration helps manage your appetite. Plus, drinking a glass of water immediately prior to a meal can help you reduce your overall intake and support your weight loss. Cut out sugar and refined white flour. Studies have shown that one of the biggest culprits of visceral fat is sugary beverages, sweets, and foods made from refined white flour. Limit or cut out these foods to help reduce belly fat. Sweetened beverages like sodas, fruit juices, and sports drinks, in addition to candy, desserts, or pastries, can increase visceral fat. In addition, foods made with white flour or are highly processed carbohydrates are also responsible for packing on fat. Look out for crackers, white bread, plain pasta, and white rice. If you crave sugary sweets, try replacing your typical snacks or treat while more nutritious food. For example, try low-fat Greek yogurt or fruit. Cut out alcoholic drinks. Many studies have shown that increased alcohol consumption is linked to increased amounts of visceral fat. Limit or cut out alcoholic beverages to help reduce belly fat. In addition, many alcoholic beverages are mixed with sugary sweetened beverages. The combination of sugar and alcohol together increases your risk for visceral fat. Limit high fat foods. In addition to choosing sources of healthy fats to include in your diet, you should also try to limit or avoid certain types of fat that can increase belly fat and the chronic conditions associated with it. Avoid all trans fats. These fats are man-made and can cause hardening of the arteries, increased LDL, the bad cholesterol, and decreased HDL, the good cholesterol. Avoid all products that certain partially hydrogenated or hydrogenated oils. These are found in fried foods, processed foods, and processed meats. Do interval workouts 2 to 3 days in a week. Higher intensity interval workouts have become more popular. They are known to torch calories but specifically burn higher amounts of body fat compared with traditional cardio. A study conducted by the University of Virginia found that people who had 3 out of 5 cardio sessions per week with intervals burned more belly fat, although they technically burned the same calories during the workout itself. Most gym machines come with interval programs. You can do interval programs on treadmills, stationary bikes, and elliptical machines. Commit at least 30 minutes of cardio 5 days a week. In addition to interval training, studies have shown that it's equally important to do at least 30 minutes of cardio exercises each week to help reduce belly fat. To specifically decrease visceral or belly fat, some health professionals even recommended doing up to 60 minutes daily of aerobic activities to have a more significant effect on visceral fat. Try walking, biking, swimming, hiking, running, working out on an elliptical or rowing machine. Increase your daily activity levels. Lifestyle activities are a great way to add more exercise to your day. Being more active throughout the day has been shown to have similar benefits to 150 minutes of planned cardio each week. Choose times when you are sedentary, such as watching TV, break time at the office, or commuting, and insert activity into the mix. Think of times when you can move more or take more steps. For example, do sit ups, push ups, and planks during commercial breaks. Stretch while you are stuck in traffic and walk around the office during break time. Do strength training exercises 1 to 3 times a week. Weightlifting builds lean muscles mass, which can help increase your body's metabolism and ability to burn calories at rest. In addition, resistance training helps increase bone density and reduces your risk for diseases like osteoporosis. Include body weight exercises such as push-ups, planks, squats, or lunges. These are great toning exercises but also increase your heart rate. मोहतरम नाजरीन, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक कर दें और शेयर ज़रूर कर दिया करें ताकि किसी इंसान का भला हो जाए, और हमारा चैनल लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें और मज़ीद अच्छी हेल्थ टिप्स हासिल करें, और साथ बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक कर दें ताकि मज़ीद इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आप तक पहुंचती रहें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।